So here's how you can turn on motion and fitness on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly where you can find it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, open up your settings and you have to go to the privacy and security section. It's a bit below, like when you go to the bottom of the page, you can go there and essentially find the motion and fitness. It is right there, so you can click on it, and the first thing you need to have enabled is the thing at the top. It's like the general fitness tracking. You want to have that enabled, and based on this little description, you can know that it just stores the data on your device, and it basically just makes sure that it tracks the movement of your phone if you have it in the pocket, or when you go for a run with it. It can use all of the sensors of the phone to determine the distance of your exercises and that kind of thing, which kind of puts it all together. Then below you have the apps, even the third-party apps, which might need or want to access that. So, there are seemingly some random apps which probably don't need that, but, the fitness apps might definitely be allowed if you want them. It would make sense if you just chose some running app to access the data here as well, right? So it depends on your preference, but you can control it in here. Of course, that's only for the iPhone settings. Most people who care about the fitness and that kind of thing also likely have an Apple Watch. And if that's the case, then on the Apple Watch, you have a completely different set of settings for the motion and fitness. And it's actually going to be more accurate with the Apple Watch for obvious reasons and for all of the sensors which are part of the watch. So yeah, let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Subscribe for more quick tips and explanations like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.